Some other formulas. Sin of A plus B is equal sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin of A plus B is equal sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B is equal plus sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos of A plus B is equal cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos of A minus B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Next formula, tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B is equal tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan of A minus B. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So some other formulas. Sin 2A is equal to sin A cos A. In terms of tan, 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A cos 2A. In terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square A. In terms of cos, 2 cos square A minus 1. So in terms of tan, 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A is equal sin 2A. Same 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Tan 2A is equal to tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Okay. The first problem, sin inverse of minus root 3 by 2. So what is a comparing formula? What formula comparing? Na? Sin inverse of minus x. So comparing sin inverse of minus x is equal minus sin inverse x. Okay. So minus sin inverse of root 3 by 2. Minus, when did coming root 3 by 2? Sin inverse of sin 60 degree. That means pi by 3. 60 degree means pi by 3. Sin 60 degree value root 3 by 2. Sin pi by 3. What is the formula? Again, formula is sine inverse of sine theta or x. Sine inverse of sine theta, theta. That is minus pi by 3. And second problem, cos inverse of 1 by root 2. Cos inverse of 1 by root 2. So, what is the formula? So, direct formula, no formula. Cos inverse of, when did coming 1 by root 2? Sine 45 degree, pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45 degree. That means 1 by root 2. So, 1 by root 2, okay? Sorry, cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is replaced cos pi by 4. So, what is the formula? Cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta. So, that is equal to pi by 4. Okay? Right down. Secant inverse of minus root 2. So, what is comparing formula? Secant inverse of minus x equal to formula pi minus secant inverse x. Secant inverse x. So, I will write pi minus secant inverse of root 2. So, root 2, when did coming my root 2? Pi by, okay? Root 2 also pi by. So, 45 degree is right as pi by. Secant pi by 4 value root 2. So, root 2 replace inverse of. So, root 2 replace secant pi by 4. What is the formula? Secant inverse of secant theta is equal to only theta. So, pi minus theta. Sorry, theta value pi by 4. LCM is 4, cross multiplication. 4 pi minus pi. 3 pi by 4. The next question is fourth one. Cot inverse of minus root 3. Okay, right on. Cot inverse of minus x equal to pi minus cot inverse x. So write as pi minus cot inverse of root 3. So root 3 when did coming in cot? Cot 30 degree is equal pi by 6. Cot pi by 6 equal to root 3. Pi minus cot inverse of cot pi by 6. Cot inverse of cot theta is equal to theta. Pi minus pi by 6. So cross multiplication, 6 pi minus pi by 6 is equal 5 pi by 6. Right? Sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. So first of all, remove the sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Pi by 3. Sine inverse of minus x equal to minus sine inverse x. So minus minus is plus. Sine inverse 1 by 2. So when it coming 1 by 2, sine 30 degree. 30 means pi by 6. 30 means pi by 6. Sine pi by 6 is equal 1 by 2. Sine of pi by 3 plus sine inverse sine pi by 6. Sine of pi by 3 plus pi by 6. Sine of pi by 3 means 60 plus pi by 6 means pi by 3 means 60 degree. Pi by 6 means 30 degree. Total how much? 90. 90. Pi by 2 means 90. Sin 90 value 1. Sin 90 value 1. Right down. Sin inverse of sin of pi by 6. How much value? 5 pi by 6 means 5 by 6 into pi value 180. 6 1 ja 630 ja is equal 150 degree. Sin inverse of sin of 150 degree. 150 is nearest of sin of 180 minus 30. Sin of 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta, which coordinate? Second coordinate. Sin is there, so positive. 180 is the even function. Sin is sin theta. Sin theta. Sin inverse of sin 30 degree. What is the formula? Sin inverse of sin theta is equal theta. That means 30 degree is right as pi by 6. Right. Cos inverse of cos of 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 value. 5 by 4 into 180. 4 4 ja 16. 4 5 ja 20. 5 5 ja 25. 4 5 4 ja 20. 22. 225. But coming also cos. Cos inverse of coming also cos means taking 360. 360 from 225 subtract just maybe that is the value 5 to 135. So 360 minus 135 value 225. So cos of 360 minus 135. Cos inverse of cos of 135. So cos inverse of reduce the value of 135. Cos inverse of cos theta theta. So 135 means write as 3 pi by, or another method for r, how to write ma? Cos inverse of, cos of, I will write 2 pi means 360 minus 3 pi by 4. Another method, 3 pi by 4, 3 by 4 into 180. 4 1 ja, 4 4 ja, 4 5 ja. 3 5 ja 15, 135. So 135 write as 3 pi by 4. So cos inverse of, cos of 360 minus theta. What about now? Cos of 360 minus theta is the which coordinate? Fourth coordinate. Cos is there plus cos theta. So cos 3 pi by 4. Cos inverse of cos theta, theta 3 pi by 4. Right down. Find the value of sine of cos inverse of 3 by 5. So what is the formula? Sine of sine inverse theta, theta. So cos inverse is converted to sine inverse. How? Please observe ma. First we have considered triangle. Which triangle? Right angle triangle using. So cos 3 by 4. That means this is the some angle. This is the opposite side. Adjacent side. Hypotenuse. What is the cos formula? Opposite side by adjacent side. Sorry. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, 3, 5. What about opposite value? First you have write the square value. First you have write the big value. 5 square minus 3 square. Square root 25 minus 9 root 16, that is the value. 4 is the opposite side. So sine theta is equal opposite side by hypotenuse. That is the value 4 by 5. So I will write sine of sine inverse of 4 by 5. That is the value 4 by 5. Sine inverse, sine of sine inverse of 4 by 5. Right. Formula ఏంటి? Sine of sine inverse theta is equal theta. Right. Tan of cosecant inverse of 65 by 63. 65 by 63. What is the definition of cosecant theta? Hypotenuse by opposite side. That is 65 by 63. Please observe. Ma. So please observe. This is the opposite side. This is the adjacent side. This is the hypotenuse. So please observe. What is the given? Hypotenuse value 65. Hypotenuse value 65. Opposite side value. How much? 63. How to find out adjacent side? First you have to take the square root. First big value 65 whole square minus 63 whole square. So 65 whole square value 65 into 65 4225 minus 63 into 63 3969. So subtracted how much? Square root of minus 425. 256. That is the value 16. So adjacent value how much? 16 adjacent value. So tan theta means tan theta is equal opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side value 63 by 16. So converted to tan inverse of 63 by 16. So tan inverse of tan theta is equal only theta. Right now 63 by 16. Right. Third one. Sine of 2 sine inverse of 4 by 5. So what is the formula, ma? Please observe. 2 sine inverse of x formula. So what is the formula? Sine inverse of 2x into 1 minus x square. 2x into 1 minus x square. Okay. So I will write sine of, please observe, ma, x is equal 4 by 4. 2 into 4 by 5 root of 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square. Sine of 8 by 5 root of 1 minus 16 by 25. Sine of 8 by 5 square root of 25 minus 16 by 25. Sine of 8 by 5. 25 minus 16, 9. 9 by 25. Sine of 8 by 5 into 3 by 5. Sine of 24 by 25. So, but formula is sine inverse. Sine inverse of sine. So, sine inverse of by the sine of. Sine inverse of sine. Sine of sine inverse. Sine of sine inverse of sine of sine inverse of sine of sine inverse. What is the formula? Sine inverse of sine inverse theta. Sine of sine inverse theta also theta. 24 by 25. Okay? Right. Fourth one. Sine inverse of sine of 33 pi by 7. Sine inverse of sine of 33 pi by 7 written as 4 pi plus 5 pi by 7. 4 pi is the even function. It is sine of 5 pi by 7. Sine 5 pi by 4 is the even function. Sine of 180 plus theta. Sine theta. Sine inverse of 20. sine of, also write as pi minus 2 pi by 7. Sine of 180 minus theta sine theta plus sine theta. So sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 7. Only 2 pi by 7. Okay? Right on. So, cos inverse of cos of 17 pi by 6. Cos inverse of cos of 2 pi plus 5 pi by 6. Cos inverse of cos of 360 plus theta. 5 pi by 6. Cos inverse of cos theta, cos theta. 5 pi by 6. Right now?